See it yourself. With such bad quality on production, the stitch is cropped. It is the quality standard of your factory.
I read that before. This is the hot production we are sending aboard. Look at this. The stitch is fruit. This is supposed to be the biggest design highlight of this model. Now it's the biggest failure of all. I'm hungry.
I do not feel much confidence in the future cooperation. That's all for today.
Mr. Lee, please give us another chance. We will make great effort to rectify. Now it's the biggest failure.
I do not feel much confidence in the future cooperation. That's all for today.
Rework.
The machine is too messy, with crooked stitches. Reworking won't solve the problem. Chen, your technique is so good. Why do you change the style every time? Can't even get it right. It takes a lot of time. Is that work?
Wait a minute. This machine is hard to adjust. Every time we change it just here and there. This clip device cannot work with much adjustment.
This stupid machine keeps breaking. Damn, I get paid this mess very few again.
General Manager Chen.
Now, it's not time to be downhearted. If we can't meet the quality requirements this time, our next order is already in jeopardy. If the order is cancelled, we really have to stop production.
Manager Chen, we attended an exhibition of Hikari some time ago. They come out with a new generation of smart sewing machines called NIV. They have smart technology to solve our current technical problems.
Oh, really?
We suggest we can quickly replace a batch.
Fine. Then let's order some new equipment. Try another workshop first. Then let's order some new equipment as soon as possible. Try another workshop first.
This machine get very large space. You'll do it well in the future. See, the thread end is only 3 mm and no need cut. The machine is very quiet. Look everybody, this stitches is beautiful. With the thin and thick material splicing or thin material, the stitches are all straight and neat. Look, we just changed it. This style comes in thick and thin, and also some large pieces. How do you think about it? The thick and thin threads are beautiful. Yeah.
New machine, no more thread breakage. The salary of this man.
We just changed the weightage. Nice.
Hey Chen,
Hey.
it's hard to have time off.
Mr. Chen, we had 200,000 pieces. Pleasant cooperation.
Pleasant cooperation. You know the machine is highly affected in our other workshops.
Hikari, new generation of intelligent sewing machine. Digital drive, beautiful stitches.